Hello and welcome to today's talk, and my series on working on lesser known and rare remedies in homeopathy continues, where I'm clinically working on how lesser known remedies we can use more often with better results, especially because we are fixed in those 20-25 drugs in homeopathy. So I want to talk to you today about the remedy Methylene Blue, a very important remedy in today's time. And I learned this remedy from one of my mentors, Dr. Vaishnav. The main thing about this remedy, which I want to talk to you today, is especially in very difficult cases of pyelonephritis or chronic urinary tract infections. This is a top remedy where you can see a large amount of pus in the urine. When you see cases which have pyelonephritis, which have renal infections, surgical kidneys, bladder infections with a lot of back pains, renal area pains, and you don't have the typical pulsatilla, aconite, nux vomica indications. When indications are not there, you are looking at a clinical pathological remedy. This would be a very important remedy, and this is a remedy I've used quite often. The urine could be very offensive, lot of pus. It's not for little pus, but a lot of pus. The concomitant is a lot of backache and sciatica, and it's a very important psychotic miasm remedy. So it's a remedy which causes a lot of gonorrhea. So you can see your nephritis, acute scarlet nephritis. It's also, along with this, a lot of fever, kind of complementary to pyrogen, delirious state, causes tremor, epilepsy kind of condition. We can now see from boric repertory. Pyonia, which means a lot of pus in the urine and pus in the blood also. Acute inflammation on bladder. You can see infection in the kidney and a lot of pus. Also important for arthritic deformance due to this kind of condition. You can see this now in Blackwood's Materia Medica, one of my favorite book, and you can see it's a very important remedy for any kind of kidney and renal infection with a lot of pus in the urine. And because of that, a lot of fever, typically also in epilepsy, this is a very important remedy. In, severe cases of neuralgias, migraines, but especially for interstitial nephritis, renal cases with very high pus urine, concomitant joint issues. It's an important remedy. My idea is to give you a clinical hint so that many of my colleagues, students, they want to learn clinical homeopathy. These are important remedies you should know.